We are Welling School, part of a multi-academy trust. The current BTECs that we have at the moment is the DIP program, which is the Digital Information Technology Award, and also the Enterprise Award. The BTEC Enterprise Award was chosen because as a subject it gives the students the skills that they need in order to be able to run their businesses. But the BTEC in itself goes a step further. I think it's important to kind of ensure that they have the content, the knowledge in order to understand how businesses operate day to day.
You're not just learning theory for 2 years, but you've also got the opportunity of going to work placements. So you've got first-hand knowledge of how businesses work. I can explain something in the classroom, but to see it and hear it for themselves is another matter altogether. It's not just that you're assessed on your knowledge, but you're also assessed on the skills.
Well, I've always had a passion for business because I have family connections in business and I've always wanted to own my own company. I think the BTEC will help me with my entrepreneurial future because it teaches me the skills that I need to start my own business. To study to achieve that is really important.
My target grade for English was C, but now since I've done BTEC, it's now improved to a B. I think it's just how I've been able to investigate in different businesses, so I know different terminologies and different keywords that I could use in other subjects like English, maths and science.
If I were to recommend this course to another multi-academy trust, I would say come and speak to our students and hear for yourselves the benefits they get from studying these courses.